Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back. We are going to be doing a clearing on the spring equinox energy. So whatever your teams want to clear, basically, we're going to do just a general tidy up, a general clean using the spring equinox energy. So like a spring clean, if you like, of the spring energies. And we'll see what comes up for each and every one of you, and what your teams are going to shift for you. A lot of stuff we won't know what they're shifting. But let's find out. So make sure you're 100% open to receiving healing, and then let's get started. Right, so here we go. Spring Equinox 2024. So what are we running? We're having a general spring clean. 30 positive, 70 negative. In terms of consciousness, which is the main thing, we're at light status where it crosses over there, light status level. So let's get your high self teams to do an initial clearing on that for you. Okay. 6B, so spring cleaning with the equinox energies, which is lovely. Inside right, abundance. So we got blocks to abundance there. Let's clear all those blocks to abundance. Let us all be abundant in health and joy and love and prosperity and opportunities and whatever you want to be abundant in. Oops, sorry, moving the camera. Hope you're all keeping well in this lovely spring energy in the Northern Hemisphere. Certainly, but if you're in the Southern Hemisphere, you know, you have your, I guess, your autumn equinox. And this will be autumn clearing for you, I guess. 17, we're going straight to 17, which is the Lord of Lords level, the first expression of the living soul. We're clearing up programs to pick up discordant energy. So let's clear that away. Okay. '23, which is spiritual realms programs. We're clearing the soul. So let's just clear the soul then. Individual for you, for each and every one of you. Okay. Chart 29 is for final blessing. We're clearing idea, which is at the egg and sperm level, the King of Kings level of consciousness, the egg and sperm level of the soul. So we're clearing idea. Okay, stuff is clearing really quickly. Chart 31. 2,600 pathways, which is the evolutionary path. So we're clearing, this is memory clearing at the 2,600 pathways. It's the evolutionary path. The animal kingdom is one of those pathways within the 2,600 pathways. So through Godhead and Spirit. I read yesterday from Silver Birch, the channeling some Silver Birch by Maurice Barbanel in the 1930s, that animals don't reincarnate, which I thought was very, very interesting. But I wonder if that was more related to animals that don't develop a particular connection with humans don't reincarnate. Because those animals that develop a connection with humans develop their own, they have a more, I don't know if it's more advanced consciousness, he was saying, but they develop more of a personality. And therefore, out of that, they're not part of the group soul. There's it's slightly different. It's sort of group soul, but it's not. It has more of an individual soul. The animals that bond with humans, like, as in pets. So I thought that was a really interesting thing to read. I know about the animals with the group soul, but Silver Birch was talking about, I'll have to find it and read it another time. He was talking about it's slightly different for animals that bond with humans. It's not like a human soul, but it's slightly different to the animal group soul. I thought you might find that quite interesting. I always get with my pets, I get a positive when I ask if they've incarnated with me before. I get a positive of my cats. So not all of them have, but some of them have. So yeah, there's no reason for that not to be true, I think. So, but I think if it's general animals out there, then they all go back to a group soul. So they don't reincarnate again because they don't have an individual consciousness, an individual soul. Does that make sense? Have I confused it? I probably have. Okay, so we're going to mop up. Let's go to mop up before I confuse the matter anymore. Okay, this is where the bulk of the clearing takes place in the mop-up process. So your teams are going through more than 200 charts on the other side of life, working through all the stuff that needs clearing, doing a spring clean for you right now. Clearing away anything, it's like tidying up, like a bit of a defragmentation, sort of defragmenting the hard drive like you do on the computer. It's a bit like that, putting things where they should be, clearing things out. This is what's going on right now. Right, are we done? Yeah, I feel like I want to download something to you. So let's see what needs to be downloaded to you. We don't normally download at the end. I do in the personal clearings, but not in these little snippets of clearings that I do. So inside right, we're downloading abundance to you. That's all. So let's download abundance to every single person that's watching and listening to this clearing. Let's download abundance across all of your energy bodies, across all time, space and dimension, inside and outside of time. It's my intention that each and every one of you is blessed with abundance and prosperity and health and joy and love in your heart. It's my intention that each and every one of you, this spring equinox, gets to experience and feel and attract that abundance in every way. joy, laughter, fun, prosperity, health, opportunities. I wish that for you. I desire that for you. Still downloading lots. That's wonderful. May you walk the path of truth and light. Find understanding. There. Right. Is there anything else to clear or anything else at all? That feels loads lighter. I don't know if you can feel it. There is something coming up. I can feel it. Right. What do we need to clear still? Chart 13, which is programs before creation. Animal energy we're clearing. Interesting. So that's probably from your, most of you would have walked the animal kingdom path before incarnating as a human. This is at King of Kings level of the soul, which is the egg and sperm level of the soul. Again. Okay, anything else? Feels loads lighter, so I hope it is for you. No. So let's just see those Akashic records there, and it's 100 positive, 0 negative. It feels so much lighter. So whatever's been cleared, you've had a good spring clean, at least radiant love, new paradigm. Wonderful. So happy spring equinox 2024, happy autumn equinox if you're on the southern hemisphere 2024, and may abundance knock on your door and stay with you, and I hope you got and felt the benefits of that clearing, and I'm sending you so much love as always. Drink lots of water, don't do too many of these in a day, just a couple, no more than that, and if you can, leave 3 clear days in between each clearing for the old neural pathways to fall away. All right, lots of love. Bye.